Number 14 to number 29. Sa gitna, steal by number 23 to number 19. Boarding shot, no good. Number 29 to pass to number 14. Sa gitna by number 29. 2 points by number 29. Number 19, 3 points by number 19. Number 3 to number 17. Steal by number 8. Back pass by number 19. Boarding shot. 19. Nasudutan. Number 10 to number 17. Crossover moves. No good. Number 19. Pass to number 99. Rebound by number 8. What is that? Offensive foul by number 99. Kakapatid kayo? Number 29, rebound by number 99 to number 19. Nabitawan, bola mau magkasar. Nahera sa ilalim. Still by number 32. Number 3-2, number 99-2, number 23, Kalamba, sa ilalim. 2, number 29, number 17, Zariba on the ball, number 17-2. Back to number 17, Sablay, rebound by number 19. Zariba on the ball by number 9. Oh, good ball, number 19. 2, oh, power move. Second. Number 19. Rebound by still by number 3. Tumingin pa. Sablay. 2. Number 3. Layup shot by number 3. No good. Rebound by number 22 to number 3. Number 3. Dribble the ball. Number 22. Number 19. Pupu ball. Number 19. Fadeaway shot. No good. Rebound by number 10. Number 10. Sablay. Rebound by number 99-2. Number 8. Sablay pa rin. Number 8. Nakakuha ng foul. Foul by number 29. 99. Sa ilalim by number 8. No good. Number 17. Dingareche na. PR na supporting. Sorry. Wala si Cathedral Gray. Support niyo kay Joe. Number 10. Nahera. 2. Number 29. Brought to you by John Baranda from California. Number 8. Nagmabutusan na naman yung dalawa. Kevin Pagulayan saka John Baron. Nagmabutusan na naman yung dalawa pa rin. Number 3. Pasok sa pwet ko. Number 3. 2. Number 8. Black by number 29-2. Ay, shit! Oh, bako. Number 13. Number 19. Foul!
Ben, si Misay mo, Ben. Nalilito ako. Ay, yan ako nag-ubat. Huwag ka nang blocking ko.
Inbound by number 29, Sil. Number 3, Sil Nahera. Umatake. Block by number 8. Connection by number 19. Lumipad. Kitang-kita. Number 3. Sa ilalim by.
Third of Totok. Aray.
Ilalim ng ring. Ano, Jay, pausog nga muna. Jay, baka maano kayo. Baka yung person ang nagsumasayak sa matapakan kayo, mga aksidente, yung mga player. Thank you. Lipat kayo sa kabila, Ben. Number 3, Steal by number 99. Steal by number 3.
Number 3 na sa puso ko.
Reserve time mo tayo. Number 19, 10 to shit. Blocking foul, 13 foul. 3 points by number 19.
Barak! Barak!
Ay, sorry.
No. Galing mo sa puso mo.
Number 11 to number 19. Back to number 11. Sa ilalim river shot by Morissette. Asset. Reserve. Sab.
Lapit daw, lapit. Para makita niyo yung mukha.
Number 3. Sa gitna. Number 11 to number 19. Number 19 to Sablay. Rebound by Sablay pa rin. Dalaw. Anong tawag? Traveling violation. Ilalatan nga daw nila yung volleyball. Mag-volleyball sila. Ano yung gas? Foul. Penalty. Third personal foul by number...
Ang laki ng... Ang ganyan. Nanghihina ako.
Kailangan mo na lang ako.
Sa mga gusto po sa mga may gusto ng bingo, available po. Number 3. Ano nakalagay get? Number 3. Official score 23-10. Number 3. Boarding shot. What a shot! What the fuck? Ang galing ni Chembong doon, ha? Foul! Gatigan. Good ball. Number 14. Ay. Number 29. 15 to shit.
Ang galing mo naman. Narinig pala sa video.
Number 19. 2. Same ball. Number 19. 3 points by number 19. Hatid sa inyo na. Sel ka papaya so. Basta na lang yung marinig. 5 seconds. Thank you, coach. 2, 1. Counted by referee.
Technical. Technical.
Kulang pa po isa. Number 11. Trapping by number 29. Number 19. Pass to number 11. Number 19. Supply rebound by number 1. Aaron. Ayun sa Aaron. Foul. Number 3.
Technical committee.
Summer na ka ng gano'n. Next
Galing.
one, Aaron. Number 18. Rebound by number 2, number 19. Get it done. 2, number 2. Hand the shit. Kakain na. What a shot by 2.5. Yamakawa.
Bigyan ng tubig, Bay.
Number 19. Sa tres. Rebound by number 22 to number 3. Number 3. Umatake to Waka. Yamakawa. Reserve time. Number 26. Pass to number 11. Get it done. Number 10. Foul. Who's fouled up? Number 19.
Time out now.
And the one and only Turcock Foundation. Nahera. Rebound by Number 2. Umatake 2. Number 99. No good. Rebound by number 99 again. Sailanim. Pass to number 19. Number 19. Block by 5 to ship. Good ball. Hari yung shot. Number 22. What is that, coach? Symbol. Anong call natin, coach? Foul? Number 2? Foul. Holding hands foul. Second personal foul. Second team foul. Number 2. Grab pass by number. Back to number 99. nakakuha ng
Ano ba nila para yan? Ano sila para ako? Yan sa green.
Saan tayo?
Sige, sige.
number 3. Proceeding to shit to number 18. Is still by number 26 to number 99. Back to number 26. Hali yung shot. Oh, baby. Ay, sorry. Number 1, 2. Number 11. 2 points by number 11. Number 3. Take time by number 3. 10 to shoot. Sa gitna by number 29. Umat Takay Supply. Rebound by number 19. Number 9. Number 11. Out of bound. Bola mo.
Modus.
Brad versus Modus. Terabi. Number 11. Body shot. No good. Rebound by number 18. Number 18. Nakakawa ng offensive foul.
Wala ka na isakot ng people yung pwede.
Number 26. 10 to shoot. Sa gitna by. Nabitawan na kuha ni number 29 to number 24. Number 24 Salazar. Sa gitna by number 22. Oh, body shot. Ilis naman na yan by John Baronda. Score John. Number 26. Take time by number 26. 2. Number 1. And number 2 pala. Back to number 26. What is that? Itatanong natin yan kay number 22. Filipino shot. No good. Rebound. Number 11 sa ilalim na sambutan. Number 24. 2. Number 3. Number 3. Umatake.
Nabitawan niya ako.
2 points by number 29. Official score 45-30. Number 26 2. Number 2. Kill. Sabilay. Number 3. Nagbababa ng bola number 3. So malaki na bitaban. Number 11. Layup shot no good to number 24. Pass to number 17. Number 17 to number 22. Sa ilalim. Trece na lang po ang kalamangan ng 45. Number 1. 15 to shoot. Number 99 umandake. Foul.
Ilang foul?
First personal foul. Third team foul.
Pasok sa puso.
Number 29. To number 3. Sa gitna by ang umigot. Rebound by.
Ito yun dyan.
Gaganis na si Jan, dalawa-dalawa. Ako dyan, gagawin kong ano yan, piano. Yung beatbox yan. Go, Ben!
Uy, yung ano nyo, uy, yung kachan nyo. Yung mga Kevin Cook.
Number 2, no good. Rebound by number 22, number 3. Pound!
High ball.
Nahera. Pumasok. Dalgera 2. Number 11 sa gitna. Nabitawan by number 11 again. Number 11. Pass to number 26. One shot. Ating St. Leon down.
Go, Ben!
Last 30 seconds. Nice one, Bimbi. Ay, joke. Ano? Ni Kenneth kasi sa gate, no? Taray.
Hindi naman yata si Kenneth dyan eh.
Ay, oo, hindi na. Aside din niya lang. Traveling via 15 seconds. Out of bounds. Running time. 5, 3, 2, point 8. May we call on for please come to the lobby now.
Back to the ball game.
Back to the ball game. Number 10. Number 10. Umatake sa blend. Nakuha ng foul.
Sige lang.
Nadong advance. Rebound by 23. To number 19. Pass to number 99. To 9. Number 11 to number 29. Number 29. Number 11. Perimeter shot. No good. Rebound by number 8. Number 8 to number 19. Pass to number 19. Foul. O first lang pala.
Oh.
Oh, wala sa pinball.
Number 29. Pass to. Back to number 29. What is that? It's traveling violation. 19 sa ilalim. To number 20. Number 17. Lilipad. Supply, rebound by number 29. To number 10. Back to number 29. Sa gitna, binalik kay number 10. Ito ang kami job boy. Foul! Number 10. Sa Sa gitna ba ang nakuha ng foul? Warning for penalty. Yes.
Pag-graduate.
Pumasok. Number 19, number 99. Sa gitna by number 8. Umikot sa blay. Dribble by number 3.
Para sila magkakapatid, no?
Number 19. What a shot! Magina.
Number 19.
Number 10. Sa gitna by number 29 na ako na foul as a basket. Penalty by green team. Number 19 to number 8. Pass to number 2. Number 23 Jordan. Ako na 3 seconds violation. Number 10. Umatake binigay ng Tuya, boarding shot ay perimeter shot lang pala. Number 19. Boarding shot. Good for 2. Nahera. Umikot. Bola. Number 19. Number 11 to number 17. What a shot by
Basket.
foul counted. Number 23. You mistake. Number 3. Nakapasok number 3. Sablay. Number 3. Getting to number... Oh, Sablay. Number 3. Still by Ramos. Foul. Number 99, nagpasabit. Number 8. Number 3-2, steal. Foul. As about. Ramos. Sa ilalim still by back pass by number 29. Number 19. Sa tres. Rebound. Ay! Sana all. Substitution. Surviving violation. Number 3-2. Number 10. Sa ilalim by number 17. Number 19. Number 19 to number 26. Seal. Number 8. Sabi. Number 2. Number 17. What a smile by Number 19. What a shot and for your number 3. Making a play sa ilalim. Rebound by number 1, Till. Number 19. Number 19 sa ilalim. Number 11, pass Till. Number 26. Stephen 19. Still by number 3. Foul.
Pumasok, pangalawa. Magawad.
Foul. Third personal foul. Number 22 to number 3. Traffic by number 3. Umatake, binigay kay number 18. No good. Number 18 again. Number 19 to number 3. Number 3 pass to number 11. Baby. Kasi sa ilalim by number 18. Number 26 to number 19. Number 19, lumipad. Number 3, sa gitna by Nahera. Till, number 18. Number 22, 2 points. Number 2 to number 26. Rebound time. Foul.
Pasali mo nila doon. O, tres. Tres? Oo. Ilang ka
Ay, kasya may bunganga ni Kenneth sa ano, Rehas, oh. Number 2 to number 3. Nice layup by number 11. Number 3 sa ilalim by Wakaru. Rebound. Foul.
Wala na.
Ibaba.
Ay, nakita tayo.
Baba nga.
Why not for graduate time na?
Foul by number 1. Yeah. Number 3. Nabitawan.
Pero kasi COVID o ano lang.
Sorry. Number 13. Nabitawan. Good one. Pass to number 11. Boarding shot. Nahera.
Meron.
Number 2. Still by number 18. Still number 3. Number 3. Pass to number 26. number 3. Umatake. Sablay, rebound by number 1, kill. Number 26, sa ilalim by number 3. 15 to shoot. Perimeter shot, Sablay, rebound by number 16. Number 11. Number 26. 2 points by number 26. 10 seconds. 3, 2, 1. Number 99. Number 10. To number 3. Foul. Foul. Foul.
Hindi na nakakapit si Kuya Jumboy ah.
Ay.
Hindi ka.
Ganun talaga pag ano. Number 19. 2. Sa ilalim by foul by number 24.
Sa ako na damit mo.
Yeah.
Ano bukas nilaro Kuya Jom? Smash ka. KB sa Bayani.
Rebound by number 8. No good. Rebound by number 18 to number 3. Number 3. Sablay. Rebound by number 99. Ogie. Traveling violation. Number 3 to number 18. Back to number 3. Amoy ano po si Walker. Number 3. Good for 2 by number 3. Peg by number 3. Nakuha yung puso. Second personal foul. Second team foul. Number 19. 2.
Sige, Tigan.
Saved by number 3. Number 10. What a nice layup by number. This one down, the one and only. Walang siyako. Kakain na. Number 3 to number 10. Oh! Ready? Third up shot, no good. Foul. Second person foul, third team foul for the white team. Number 19, 2, number 11, 2, number 2. Ayan na. Fast and the Furious. Number 2, oh, black by number 2, still by number 24. Number 3, Pumesto, number 3. Lumilipad na naman ang isip ko. Foul! Oo. Hindi muna bago mag-laro. Still by number 11-2, number 99. Foul! Foul warning for penalty. Sa ilalim, nakakuha itong foul. Penalty, ang polio. Number 3. Sutres. No good. Rebound by number 92. Number 19. Sige po. Number 19 2. Sa ilalim. Pinasakay.
Time out, time out.
Nahera, 3 points. At itingnan na sa likod ng parasol, maputi ang balat, maitim ang buran. Number 99, Paul. Rebound by number 24.
Isi, sab ka ba?
See, number 3.
Mesa ba? Mesa, mesa.
2 points. Number 19. Paul by number 3. Pumasok. Number 3 to number 10. Nahera. Pumukul ang 3. Sablay. Still by number 6 to number 3. Rebound by number 8. Cheers, number 19. Nagmamadali. Number 19 to number 11. By number 8.
At least na-inform na nila, di ba?
Points by number 3. Number 17. Till number 10 to number 3. Ramos. Umatake. Napakaganda. Sablay.
Mamaya, pagkatapos sa ano, pag-aralan nyo yan, manood kay NBA.
Okay, bye. Tablet ako daw.
Number 3. Pass to number 10. Pupukol. Pass to number 22. Sa gitna by number 17. Sablay. Oh, parang manok lang sa area. Yan na. Ayan na. Ayan na. Ako ay nalulunda.
Ano nga may penalty?
Dropping by number 3. Number 19.
Yan gusto kong depensa eh.
Sablay. Number 8. No good again. Number 18. We shot no good. Parang yung Sablay. Yun. So yun na ulit. Kaya ano muna ba ka nagmutong pre? Number 10, Till. Number 22. 2 points by number 22. Number 8. Back to number 99 to number 19. pumasok. Patid sa inyo na. Number 3, 2, number 10. 14 to shoot.
Hindi na po. Bigyan niyo po yan.
Number 3, 2, number 11. Ilista mo na yan.
2 minutes. Stop time tayo guys ha.
Number 10. 17, 2, number, nabitawan. Number 10.
Ay, yun. Ano ko
Yes.
Boss, yung kalaro mo kayo, no? Hindi na kasi.
Kami laro ba kami bukas na? Sabi niyo si Kagawad.
12 to shoot. Five to shoot. Water number 6, Lumipad. 2-point basket by number 6. Swapping mo by number 42. Number 99. Pass to number 8. 15 to shoot. Pumasok.
Hindi, malas lang. Wala pang scatter. Wala pang scatter, panalo na.
May spaghetti sa bahay kaso walang sauce. Pasta lang.
Nice tempo. 15 to shoot. Number 3.
Okay lang yung schedule niyo naman yan eh.
Next game, magtawas na.
Master.
Master.
POG number 19, Green Team.